You know it. Hopping out of plane, out of town flights. Yeah, seems like I must have done.
Hi friends, this is Aryan Aditya. In this post I will explain about Index Manager. First of all, let me explain actually what is Index Manager is. First of all, this is my site, myhotdreams.in. Here I have stored my files, that is Examsada online bits. Yeah, suppose users can download these files, which is linked to our site, but if we want to disable this directory listing, that is users can download our files, but we wish users don't want to see our files, that is we want to disable the browser listing. For that we have to use Index Manager. For that it's a very simple process. First of all, you need to go your cPanel, then go for File Manager. In the File Manager, here we can see our files which we want to disable their directory listing. Suppose if we go to parent directory, that is so here we can get online bits, right? Suppose if we want to disable this directory listing, but users should download the files as usual. For this I just choose right click on this and manage indices and go to the here there are 4 settings. One is default. By default it uses cPanel default settings, and second one no indexing. No indexing means it uses for the files can be downloaded, but users cannot access the files. That means directory listing will be removed and there is no access for the users. Standard indexing means only text version can see the users, they can access only text version. Fancy indexing means it uses images and graphics so and so, but if we want to disable the directory listing, that means if we want to hide the files, that is users don't want to browse our directories, we should select no indexing option and then save. Yeah. For this users can download the files, but they cannot access our directory. Suppose if we click online bits, you don't have permissions, but files can be accessed and it can be downloaded. I can see suppose yeah, this is one of my file. Yeah, this is downloading. You can see files can be downloaded, files can be accessed, but the directory listing will be removed. We can use in further we can use in other manner also. For that you just go to your cPanel, then you can have the option where it is Index Manager. In the Index Manager you can select the top level directories and everything so and so. You can go to www.indexing, then you can choose your option and then save. You can do like this also, anything, so that we can disable the directory listing. Examsada online bits, the directory listing has been removed. Yeah, this is very easy. Try this. This is Aryan Aditya signing off.
I'm a hustler by nature, it's in my blood. Steady chasing this paper and rolling dubs, so my money never out of sight. And I'm all swagged up